everyone, we just finished my Louis Vuitton appointment. So I had miscommunication with my sales associate. She was inviting me to the party and had no idea. But she told me I can do an appointment. So then I was like, sure. And then she booked an appointment for me on Saturday. I didn't know she was inviting me to the party. She's like, why didn't you come to the party? I was like, I didn't know there was one. I didn't know there was an event. Anyways, I tried on a bunch of stuff, as you saw. I did leave with something really cute. And now we're at, what is this? What is this place called? Tabitai? It's Masaki Saito's ramen place. It's next to MSSM. So we're having ramen. My first time here, so I'm excited. Also, we got stopped by Fitted Toronto, and they took pictures of us, and they took video of us, so maybe I will be on at Fitted Toronto. So thank you, Karima and Chloe, for stopping us. That was so sweet. Here it is. This is my options. So, Saito ramen, 50% saltiness, 25% fat, 75% garlic, normal veggie, normal noodle, normal hardness.
Bigger than I expected.
What?
It's a lot bigger than I expected.
Oh. This big ass. This chashu is huge.
Yeah.
It's thick. It's so thick. I like that noodle.
That's good, right?
So this is my friend's bag. It is Vivian Westwood. It's a Japan only edition bag. I don't know what bag.
I think we're good, yeah?
Oh,
yeah. No, I called here. Okay, thank you. Oh, just one?
It's a crossbody. Let's look inside the bag.
So one bag.
Got a water. That's from Louis Vuitton. Her phone. I got her this. It's got Kamakura, a Snoopy. This is from Japan. It has medicine. Then the lip products that she's carrying is a Revlon lipstick and this Nivea lip balm from Japan. And then she has her key that has this Disney thing. And her hand cream from Japan. And her wallet. And her sunglasses. And a shoe pod. That's everything in her bag. SJ wants to buy bag with your stuff. That's her bag. Why do you still? This is empty.
Oh, I put it in here.
Oh, okay. Get rid of it. Every year she buys a new one. This one's made in Japan. Hello everyone, welcome back. I meant to take you guys to the Toronto Vintage show with me, but when I arrived, they were like, be very careful with your belongings because we've had some thefts today. So I was being really cautious and scared to like take my stuff in and out of my purse. I was really like locked in. So I decided, okay, I'm just not going to vlog. I will just use my phone. So if you guys want to see what the Toronto Vintage Show looks like, definitely take a look on Instagram _Hello Harley or on TikTok at Hello Harley. I vlogged it for sure on there. And there's actually a Cherry Murakami Louis Vuitton Vintage Speedy 25 that I was really interested in purchasing. However, the price was just still a little bit, I don't know, too high. And then I called Lauren and she never uses her 25. So I was like, should I get the 25? And she was like, you're never going to use it. Like, you're not even a Speedy girl. I've never owned a Speedy. I've never been a Speedy girl ever. And then obviously I did try the Soft Speedy 30 because I really want the Murakami one. Okay, you guys, I have a problem with the Takashi Murakami X Louis Vuitton collection. I just love it so much. I saw a Heated Mess Cindy with it, and she recently bought the Soft 30 in the noir multicolor, and I was like, I need that bag. I need that bag. And then when I went to try it on, I was like, never mind, I don't need that bag because I don't think it's for me. So anyways, it's many hours later. I haven't obviously filmed anything else. I'm making cookies at the moment. I'm making cornmeal cookies. And then my friend just dropped off a wonderful gift for me. So I wanted to just share you guys what she dropped off. They went to the farmer's market at St. Jacobs and then brought back a bunch of stuff and then offered me some stuff. So 2 nectarines, 4 fuzzy peaches, which is really cool. And then I got 2 cloves of garlic. This is my favorite garlic ever from St. Jacobs. Every time they give me this garlic, it is slapping. Like, that garlic is crispy. They brought me back some apple fritters, which I will heat up in a minute. I got 3 ears of corn. Beautiful. I have company over tomorrow, so I will use that up and eat it fresh with them. And then some more stuff. What is this? Oh my God, some apples. So 2, I think these are Red Delicious, really beautiful, and 2 Granny Smith. So that is so sweet. I love getting produce from people because I'm just one person. So sometimes when I go out and buy stuff, it's just like difficult because then I'm buying like way too much stuff. Also, this I'm so excited about because I've never had the St. Jacobs apple fritters. I'm going to air fry them. Let's give that a taste test. But let me take my cornmeal cookies out of the oven because I think it's actually time. Here they are. They taste so good. They look like the Chinese almond cookies, but they're so decadent. And I did modify the recipe, and I think some of them, they look a little bit different, you know? It's okay. That's fine. All right, so I packed some of them. I'm going to give these to my friend. I'm going to walk them over now. And then some of these are just cooling. And then, yeah, I will probably fold my laundry for tonight. Anyways, I hope you guys understand why I didn't vlog, but I really did want to vlog the Toronto Vintage Show with you guys. It was just, I wasn't about to have like me be distracted because I was filming and then me lose something. So yeah, I did buy something from Louis Vuitton. Can you guys guess what it is? I actually have it in another room right now, so I'm not going to go show you guys. I'm going to just go run my stuff over to my friends first.